trees.
Who was that?
Wala pa ako nakikitang dal dito ah.
Meet ng topic natin. So, wala lang, catching up lang tayo, no? Ayan, hello, Manuel, di ba? Na-delete daw kasi sa Shopee Pay kaya hindi naabot.
You'll regret stopping me. Damn it! I've got to get back before he does.
So, syempre, the first thing na pupuntahan ko, Tokyo. No? So, syempre, Tokyo, ano yon, yung unang trip mo, Tokyo. So, that's it. Diba? Balik ka na ng Pilipinas. So, next time na babalik ka,
This is Snake. Do you read me?
Loud and clear. Glad to see you.
technology. So, madali na lang siya. Kasi laging nasa repository yung lahat ng codes, lahat ng progress nila. 'Di ba? So, 'di ba? By the time na pero the thing is, futuristic yung setting ng Shadowfall. Kasi yung Earth dito parang Neo Earth na siya. Hindi na siya yung parang Earth na we used to be, no? Tapos
Freeze! Just try and pull the trigger.
Sabi mo eh.
months. I don't know, kasi parang napansin ko lang din na what do you call this? Na very lenient, no? Pag mga ganitong time of the form, no? Kung saan sila available, saan sila once available, na wala na. So, pati sila tangay. 'Di ba? And then, emulation of the hardware, no? So, ito key.
Snake, are you there?
Eva,
Did you miss me?
did you...
Hindi, work from home tayo. Wala, iba eh. Iba yung parang privilege, hindi privilege eh. Siguro yeah, privilege, but yeah. Pero, saan ko ba yun? Saan yung group? Saan yung group? Hidden. Ayan, but anyway, yeah. I mean, since yun nga, matagal tayo.
Ang lakas umiscore na itong flashlight.
Some kind of
Yeah, it's comfort allowed the more.
how?
No one but unless I don't.
No other way in.
The only way. Look, help me.
You said the bristle
Yes, sit.
should lead to silence in Hades. And just maybe a backup of Gaia. It won't be easy out there. The blight, the storms,
Loot
regardless
muna
of
para meron
Shinraiders.
tayo pang...
Hanap ka ng clout. Oh, anong reveal mo? Ano ba yan? Usapang BioWare ba yan? Oh. 'Di ba? After ng Concord, BioWare naman ngayon
Maka na.
with the platform is syempre via account. 'Di ba? And then tong account na to kinreate natin dun sa platform. So meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo. Kung ano yung identity natin.
Ay, para infirmary. Alam ko na yung infirmary na yung sinasabi. Walang andal dito.
Is base, no? Pero before Ethereum or before Ethereum, so meron tayo natawag na Bitcoin, which is something different.
What happened?
It's probably just a weak signal. Just hurry and get Sokolov out of there.
No matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me. Into the Forbidden West.
We what I call this na nagiging parang ang tawag dito nagiging advisor, no, or some sort, parang ganyan.
Into the Forbidden West. Someone once told me.
Yan, mga ganyan, di ba? Alam na, propaganda, di ba? Node lang daw ng intro FMB, ginudge na daw agad. Ah! No? O dili kaya, I don't know kung paano yung magiging setup doon, no? Kung paano yung posting or what. Depende kung sa Facebook ba kayo mag-usap or what. Hindi ko alam, no? Paano. Basta
Kung may lalabas na kalaban ulit.
The cave and head for the aqueduct.
Yun yun, marami, no? Yung games, yung hardware, yung mga specialized machines, di ba? Even yung magazine, yun yung mga kailangan natin kaso puro nga lang maktol yung talk niya. Nanggigigil ako pag puro maktol eh. Wala kang damit? Patay damit.
Galing na ako kanina dun ah. Oh, may kalaban. Ayaw bumukas yung pinta.
Bridge. How to drop the other side.
HQ.
Patrol here. We've lost sight. Who's that?
Uy! Ano nga ito nun?
They decided when they're going to execute us?
No. Something even bigger. Yesterday, the White House received an unexpected call.
Keyboard warrior yan si Jutim eh. Oh. Start na ng Happy Meal daw. McDo Mario Kart. Ay, seryoso? Shock. Feeling ko marami na namang parang Star Wars themed nila. Yun, okay siya, no? Pero parang kung sasabihin mo na sobrang sulit niya. Hindi ko mag-gauge eh. Parang feeling ko hindi eh. No, for that time no.
Medyo mahaba-haba kasi yung Horizon eh.
Kung ano ba yung nagustuhan mo at ano ba yung parang potential of that game. 'Di ba? Kasi parang sa panahon kasi ngayon, ang dali mag-sway ng tao. 'Di ba? Especially kung sa lahat ng bagay. Steady lang, Claudia, steady lang. Ano to? Ano mo, grabe kayo, no? Sana all daw ganyan yung mga offline games na binili natin, hindi natin ma-access, no? Kasi kailangan ng authentication, ganyan, itself, whatever. So, isipin mo na lang.
Don't forget your gear. Here, give me a hand.
Ano yung NFT? Ano ibig sabihin yan? Pero, most probably, NFT yung tech na gagamitin nila dyan. Diba? Doon sa blockchain. Okay?
We can't prove our innocence.
Then I will be unable to restrain the military. I will be ousted, and they will seek their revenge.
A nuclear attack.
ここに入ることは禁じられている。
Who's that? Radio, where's our backup?
Daw?
Sabihin yan. Black Ops Zex. Dragon's Gate daw is the new shit. Grabe ka naman, sir.
Wala pa akong nakikitang dal dito ah.
Sony, no? So, yan ang mangyari dyan, yung purchasing ng game is hindi na siya parang directly, no? Yung community, directly dun sa platform. No? Although, pwede pa rin.
Nakuha ko na pala ito.
Hank, you all right?
I've run into a few snags. These guys were after Sokolov too. Apparently they were taking orders from a GRU colonel named Volgan.
A GRU colonel?
Part of an internal Soviet power struggle, according...
Yung bahay. Parang yung mga mano.
Stream na to, no? So, pero meron tayong topic, no? So, makikita nyo dyan sa screen nyo, no? kung ano yung topic natin for tonight, no? And something din na gusto kong
That's a blast from the bellows. Won't fix the forge, but at least I can forget about my troubles for a while.
Like what?
Well,
What did you say? It's a nice gun, I'll give you that. But the engraving gives you no tactical advantage whatsoever. Unless you were planning to auction it off as a collector's item.
Bandage disinfect.
Old neck? There's that one over there. Near the
It's hard to explain. It'll help me get the lay of the land.
If you say so.
Open the gate! Kaja! Stand your...
Snake, try to remember some of the basics of CQC.
Ito na lang, example, no? Para medyo clear tayo. Kunyari, bagong release ng game. Let's say, ano ba? Final Fantasy 7. Ayaw ng karamihan, o ayaw ng lahat, yung Infinite Warfare. Pero ako, deep inside, I enjoy the game. I enjoy the campaign. Yung campaign, yung multiplayer kasi,
what a fear in my heart, but you're so supreme.
Thank you, Hodurk.
Don't be a stranger now. Come back whenever you'd like to spar again.
Move the bristlebacks and sign the concession decree. Face it, what other choice do you have?
Hi.
Savior.
F, nawala yung katawan. Fuck that shit. Wala, hindi pwede mag-farm, sayang. Kala ko pwede.
Diba? So ngayon, ang key doon, no? Para ma-download mo yung game is that meron tayong tinatawag na DRM or yung tinatawag natin Digital Right Management. So memorable for you. Diba? And hindi ka naman, wala ka namang parang time and money, no, na kaya mong spend, no, for those
Alright, I should find whoever's in charge here. But first, I could resupply at my stash.